Two. All right. So in this little quick video, I'm going to show some people how to spy on your competitors in their ads, basically. So I make this video for a few of my friends, such as Jason and Brianna out in Atlanta. So basically, how you spy on other people's ads. I'll show you a couple of different variations, but basically all you do is go to your competition's Facebook page, and I'll show you my competitions because I already know their Facebook's ads, and then I'll also show you a couple different versions that could go to like a landscaping business or even a beauty business if you're into cosmetics. So anyways, my competition right now is actually I'm an affiliate for this guy, but if we were to do ClickFunnels, which is a software I promote, we go to their Facebook page, and now go to their ClickFunnels. That's what I want to go to. And now they're my competition, but I'm their affiliate. But basically, what I want to do is like find out what they're advertising, and then I'm going to run the same exact ads. Because if they're running ads that are working for them, then they're going to be obviously still up to view. So basically, you go to their Facebook page, and right here it says info and ads. So this whole area is obviously their timeline. But if you go right here to info and ads, you just click on it, and then it'll pop up with all of their advertisements. And basically what you want to look at is like, what are they offering? What is their sales copy looking like? What are their images? Just kind of give you an idea of what their converting ads are looking like. So that way you can just basically model what's working. So there's no, you don't have to, it kind of leaves out the guessing and the testing that it usually takes to like get a successful ad. So we look at this first ad right here, and the first line is basically, it says like, you don't have to be a tech wizard. So I mean, it already kind of tells you like ClickFunnels is easy for people who are not tech savvy. Check out the revolutionary software pro entrepreneurs are using. Okay, so they basically are advertising their services as something that's super easy that anyone can do. And then when I scroll down a little more, we'll see another ad. Looks like the same video, but the text is a little different. Entrepreneurs used to struggle with managing their affiliate program. Okay, so the hook on this is like, if you have an online course that you're selling, ClickFunnels is basically saying that you can manage your own affiliate program, which means you get other people to sell your stuff for you, and then you give them a commission. Quick relief for entrepreneurs who are learning to code. So I mean, again, this is like another advertisement telling you how easy it is to do ClickFunnels. And let's see if there's one more that's a little different. Okay, all these ads are basically the same video but with different text. So just in the few seconds that we've been on this page, that we already kind of know like what they're offering, what their hook is basically like how easy it is to use ClickFunnels. They got the same advertisement over and over, but they just have different text in different ways. So let's just say I don't know any landscape artists right now, but let's just see what goes on when we go into the search engine. Landscaping services. And then we'll go to pages. All right, so I'm not sure how often a landscaping business runs an ad. Usually they don't, but we'll just try this one real fast. They have 4,000 likes, and it's the most used page on this whole section. And the thing about local businesses and most businesses in general, they don't even bother with their Facebook page that much. So I mean, to have a page that has 4,000 likes is a pretty good one. Like most people who have a local business, they have like 15 likes and 14 likes or whatever, and they don't really do much. But the way you grow your Facebook page, if you run an ad, if you were to make a post on your timeline, you can make an ad out of that post, and then now all of a sudden you're getting more people that are seeing your posts. They like your page, and then you can also advertise. So advertising can be used in different ways. So like if I'm guessing since they have 4,000 likes, that they might have run some ads before. But lo and behold, there's no ads to show. Sorry everybody on that one. But let's see. Cosmetics. Now if we were to go to pages again, right here, the cosmetics company store, these people have 300,000. NBA cosmetics company. All right, let's just see if these people are selling anything. All right, let's go down a little more. Info and ads. And if they don't have any ads, I'll do another example that will have ads. Okay, so these people do have ads. Okay, cool. So here's what, okay, this isn't cosmetics, but we'll still just do it anyways. So this is these people's ads. Craft a space that's truly your own with C Studio Collection. Get 20% off. So there's, you know, a hook right there. Free shipping. There's another reason to click on this ad, and it's also a carousel ad. So that means there's different pictures, and then if someone likes this bedspread, they can just click on this button and they'll be taken to this page where they can buy it. So it's a carousel ad. It's pretty cool. It's a good way to display your ads or your services and your products in one ad, so that way you're not just promoting one product or service. You can have multiple pictures. So let's do one last one, but just to show you how to spy on your competitors' ads. So if you have a competition that's running ads locally or even in another state or whatever, it doesn't matter. Just see what they're doing, and kind of like, if they're running an ad, that means like this is working for them. So they're offering 20% off and free shipping. So that's kind of like their thing. So that's another offer these people are doing. So that's the second ad we saw. And their next ad is another 20% off. So these people are doing this is their hook. This is part of their deal, is like they're giving away 20%. This is the reason that you're coming to they run an ad, you get 20% off and free shipping, and that gets the person to click on the ad. And then when you have your pixel installed, even if they don't buy right now, you can still retarget those people later on. So that way your ad spend is cheaper, because it makes Facebook work less to find your customers. So just want to make this really quick video on how you can spy on your competitors' ads. It doesn't matter what niche you're into. Some people are running ads, some are not. But basically just go to your Facebook search engine, click on pages, and then kind of just find out what's going on for other people. And it's a good way to model your own ads as far as like images go, and you get to know what their offers are. And like I said, if this is like their fifth post on this advertisement or page. So if they're giving 20% off plus free shipping on all these ads, like that's working. That must mean that this is working for them. So you can always model what's working for other people. You can always just kind of take away what they're doing, make it to your own. But if something's already working for somebody else, then you can just model the same thing. Do 20% off haircuts and get free shipping on your haircut. Okay, no, but anyways, you know, understand. But just model the offers that you would kind of give people, and it's all about testing. That's all what marketing is. You got to test and see what works for you. You might have an ad that converts really well. You might have an ad that's more expensive than the other, so then you might cut that ad, or, you know, it's just a good way of getting to know like what the market is looking like and what you can do. Here's another 20% off free shipping and your code. So I mean, this offer is really working for these people, so that's why they keep using it. So once you find consistencies between all your competitors, if they have the same code or same offer, that means it's working for them. But this works for any business. So just check it out, see what works for you, and see what your competition is up to, and you can possibly model your ads after them as well. All right, everybody, thanks a lot.